In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a pin in Facebook Messenger. Start by opening the Messenger app on your Android phone or your iPhone. You will recognize it by the familiar chat bubble icon with a lightning bolt in the center. Once it opens, you should see your list of recent conversations on the main screen, usually with profile pictures on the left and message previews on the right. Now open the chat with the person you want to send your location to. Just tap their conversation from the list or tap their name from your contacts if you already see it. When the chat opens, you should see previous messages in the middle of the screen and a text box at the bottom where you normally type. Next up, look just to the left of that text box at the bottom and tap the plus button. It looks like a small plus symbol inside a circle. When you tap it, a small menu of extra options should slide up or appear along the bottom. You may see icons for actions like photos, files, or more tools right next to the option we need. With that ready, tap the option labeled Location. It usually has a small map pin icon, and it might open either as a full screen map or a panel that covers most of the screen. If this is your first time, Messenger may ask for permission to access your location. A system pop-up can appear asking you to allow location access while using the app. Once access is allowed, you will see a map centered near your current position with a colored pin in the middle. After that, you can search for a place or move the map pin. At the top of the screen, there is usually a search bar where you can type the name of a place, like a store, a park, or an address. As you type, suggested places will appear below the bar, and tapping one will move the map to that exact spot with the pin already placed. If you prefer to share a more precise point, you can drag the map with your finger instead. The pin stays in the center while the map moves under it, so stop when the pin lines up with the exact place you want them to see. Once you are happy with the pin position, tap Send Pin or Send, depending on what your screen shows. Right away, the map preview appears as a new message bubble in the chat, showing a small image of the location and its name. The other person can tap that bubble to open it in their own map view and start navigation if they want. You have just sent a clear map pin location in Facebook Messenger, so the other person knows exactly where to go. So if this helped you share your location more easily, please give the video a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for more simple Messenger tips.